Okay, so let's talk about the abstract I saw yesterday.
Okay,
Great work, well done.
thank you.
Yeah. So, can you just briefly tell us about that study?
All right, I and my team, we conducted a study on the effects of different packaging materials on the nutrient composition and sensory properties. By that, I mean how it feels in the mouth, the taste, and the flavor, of moi moi, our normal moi moi, that we get from the open market or you can make in your home. The goal of that study is to check if the way we package our moi moi has any form of effect in either in improving the nutritional quality and safety, or it poses a threat on the consumers. So that's the essence of the study. And then it's interesting to know that when we finished that study, okay, we studied different packaging materials, about 5 of them. The leaf, the normal moi moi leaf, in our place they call it Oma leaf. Then polythene bag, plastic can, plastic container, the other packet, aluminum foil, and that normal milk tin, that's peak milk, and the rest of them, those kind of things. So we had the same recipe of moi moi packaged in those different 5 materials. And by the end of that study, it was very interesting to note that there were differences in the nutritional value of those of the moi moi packaged with those different materials. And then also it's also had effect on how people enjoyed or accepted the taste and flavor of the different moi moi from different packages. And it's also quite striking to note that of the moi moi package with the leaf tend to present better nutrition profile. By that I mean it had better protein, better carbohydrates, better minerals and vitamins compared to those packaged with the other materials. I think the closest was the one packaged with plastic tin, So that was the essence of that work. Yeah.
Oh, awesome. That's fine. I'm curious to know, and I'm sure other people would like to know, if there's this thing about when we use this to discourage us from using tins, plastic to make moi moi, because there was a suspicion that some of the materials used in create toxic chemicals will get into your moi moi and you'll be eating poison. So,
True.
can you please speak to that? Did you find out anything in your study?
Yeah, we actually looked at that, and it's important to note that whenever you're making any dish, apart from moi moi, either even anything you're using to cook, has certain things that leave from that material, that cookware, into the dish. Yeah. So we also found out that like the moi moi packaged with plastic materials, there's a particular element called bisphenol A, was found to be more present in those ones packaged with the plastic material, the polythene, nylon, and the plastic tin. But then those of them with foil, aluminum foil, and the tin, they had more heavy metal compared to those other materials. So it's evident, it's been proven, it's evidence-based that whenever you cook food with different cookwares or package food with different cookwares, under heat there's a release. Some things leave, some particles, some elements, I think that's the best word, elements leave from the material into the food, which over time, if it's a habitual stuff, if something you do regularly, can pose a health threat, to the consumer. Yes.
So, you just mentioned health threat. Can you please outline some of the threats that ingesting those kind of materials can cause?
Yes, the very prominent one, which is on a very high increase, is the cancers. Now we can see that cancers are affecting every part of the body. Cancers, and the major issue with those materials that leave from the cookware or the packaging material into the food is that it increases free radical in the body, which over time, when they are not being curtailed, can lead to cancers. The body cells begin to malfunction and begin to increase beyond normal, and then so cancers is one of them. There's also the issue of food, but now even the leaf, using the leaf to package your moi moi, it's also very interesting that consumers should be aware that in handling those leaves, they must be very careful, because those leaves being exposed to the atmosphere collects things from the atmosphere, which you have to wash under running water very well, because whatever is in that leaf will eventually enter into the moi moi. So the foodborne diseases are also part of the issues that one can take in through those foods. Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this. It's been awesome and it's been fun doing this. Till next time, bye.